Hello, welcome to my channel. One of the earliest recipe that we made on the channel was dal gosht. So today we are going to show you all chicken dal gosht, where we use chicken instead of lamb. Pranesh will link the dal gosht recipe on the channel. For my ingredients for my chicken dal gosht is, I have 1.5 kilo of chicken that I cut, washed and marinated with a teaspoon of chicken marinade and a splash of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of oil. For my braising, I have half a cup of oil, 1 small onion sliced. For my spices, I have 2 tablespoons of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of hurdee, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then for my whole spice, I have a cinnamon stick, Saunf, Elaichi and bay leaf. This is usually found in our biryani mix package. Then for the taste, I have a teaspoon of rough salt and also got a teaspoon of ginger garlic. Here I have 3 tomatoes that I cut finely, half a cup of biryani dhal that I soaked overnight, and a cup of boiled pea dhal. This pea dhal is boiled without any salt or without any hurdee. And for my greens, I have, for the braising, I've got curry leaf, thyme, and to garnish, I also have some fresh dhania. And here also to garnish, I have some fried onions, and Pranesh will also link how I fry my onions. Now we are ready to start braising our chicken dal gosht. I've got my stove on moderate heat and I'm just going to add in my oil to my pan and I'll allow this to heat up. While my oil is getting hot, if you all did watch the dal gosht recipe, you all will see that it was so shaky and not the best of quality. That time Pranesh was still getting in, learning about how to film. And from that onwards, you can see how far we has come. To my oil, I put my onions in. I'll allow these onions to get brown.
3, 2, 1.
To my half done onions, I'm going to add in my biryani mix. And to that, I'm going to add in my fresh curry leaf and my thyme. I'll give this a few seconds to fry out. To this, I'm going to add in my ginger garlic to fry. Now all my masalas will get into the oil. To my masala, I'm going to add in my chicken. And I'll allow this chicken to fry out for a little before adding my biryani dhal. 5 minutes has passed and I gave my chicken only 5 minutes to fry out because chicken is not as our lamb meat that take a little longer. Now I'm going to add in my biryani dhal to it. I think this is a nice mix. And also to this point, I'm going to add in my salt and my tomatoes. Thereafter, I'm going to lower my heat and let this all fry out for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed. And remember, the chicken is soft and cooked faster. All I'm going to do is to check on the dhal. The dhal is also done. So to this I didn't add any water though. Now I'm ready to add in my boiled dhal. Slowly. Also give this bowl a rinse with a little bit of water. I'm just going to add in a little water to clear off this bowl, and I'll allow this to boil till the thickness that we like it to. 10 minutes has passed. I increased the heat so you can boil fast. And it's nice and thick. And we also adjusted the salt. So now I'm ready to put my stove off and garnish. The chicken was done very quickly. So my dhania and my fried onions on top. And Pranesh loves me to make a nice bunny chow with this chicken dal gosht. This lovely thick gravy that will soak into our bread. And it smells so good. Here you go, your lovely chicken dal gosht made in a bunny chow. And because of the thick gravy, it soaks in very well. The bread is sort of leaning over, so I call it the leaning tower bunny chow. The recipe that we made for today can feed 4 to 6 people. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.